TMC leader and a party candidate from Balurghat Lok Sabha seat, Biplab Mitra, has raked up the Sandesh Khali incident and has stated that it will not have any impact on the voters. Biplab is fighting BJP Sukanta Majumdar in the constituency, who is the incumbent member of parliament. He has stated that Sukanta Majumdar is going to face defeat in the polls, and the Balurghat constituency, remember viewers, is going to polls tomorrow itself in the second phase of the Lok Sabha elections, a prestige battle for the Bharatiya Janata Party that is looking at retaining this seat. Two other seats are going for polls: Darjeeling, the second, and Raiganj, the third, in West Bengal. Both of these seats were won by the Bharatiya Janata Party back in 2019. The BJP, of course, looking at retaining these seats. Meanwhile, as far as Balurghat is concerned, the opposition candidate from the Trinamool Congress has hit out at Sukanta Majumdar. He has stated that the TMC is optimistic that they will win this seat with a difference of more than 1 lakh votes. Remember viewers, in Bengal, Sandesh Khali had become a major poll issue, and the Bharatiya Janata Party had lashed out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, alleging that she had protected Sheikh Shah Jahan and other such criminals. However, the TMC has meanwhile expressed confidence that this will not have a major impact on the polls. Let's listen in to what the TMC has to say.
यहाँ पर क्यों कोई लोग जानते नहीं संदेश खाली कहाँ है, संदेश खाली में क्या हुआ है, वो तो टीवी में जो आता है वही लोग जानते हैं, उसका ज्यादा नहीं जानते हैं, तो कोई इम्पैक्ट यहाँ पर नहीं है। हाँ, ये तो बहुत दुख का बात है, जे इतना पब्लिक का जो जॉब मिल गया था उसको जब चला गया, about 26,000 people have been sacked from the service. It is not a good thing for the democracy and democratic system. I don't know actually how it has been done or it has been happened, but it's a very great regret that the people who are serving there since 15 years, 16 years, and after that they have been sacked.
All right, we've heard what the TMC candidate Biplab Mitra had to say. Meanwhile, I'd like to remind my viewers that Balurghat had elected Bharatiya Janata Party Sukanta Majumdar back in 2019. Before that, the seat belonged to the Trinamool Congress from 2014 to 2019, and even before that it belonged to the Revolutionary Socialist Party, the RSP, from 1977 till 2009. I beg your pardon, till 2014. Last time around, Sukanta Majumdar had secured about 5,39,317 votes, which is about 45.02% of the seat share. He had defeated Arpita Ghosh of the Trinamool Congress, who had secured 5,06,024 votes and a 42% seat share. BJP, of course, looking at retaining this seat this time around. I was telling all of you viewers where all exactly the BJP has in fact won, out of which all 3 seats that are going to polls in the second phase were won by the BJP back in 2019, whether it is Balurghat or it is Darjeeling or it is Raiganj itself. Now, of course, the war words heating up. My colleague Rainik Datta joins us via the phone line with more details on this. Rainik, Balurghat to go to polls tomorrow itself. Meanwhile, Sandesh Khali has been a hot topic in Bengal, with the BJP hitting out and training guns at Mamata Banerjee over this issue. But the TMC, on the other hand, has to say that this won't have much of an impact as far as the electorate is concerned.
एकदम देखिए, कल सुबह तीनों जगह में पोल होने जा रहा है, जिसमें बालूरघाट एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जगह है। बालूरघाट के ऊपर पूरा राज्य का नजर है, क्योंकि बालूरघाट से जो कैंडिडेट है बीजेपी का कैंडिडेट वो बीजेपी का स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट है, और इस वजह से बीजेपी की तरफ से इस 2024 लोकसभा इलेक्शन में जिस इशू को सामने लिया जा रहा था वो है संदेशखाली, और संदेशखाली इशू को लेकर ही टीएमसी हमलावर है बीजेपी के ऊपर बालूरघाट एरिया में। टीएमसी का जो कैंडिडेट है बिप्लब मित्र, उनकी तरफ से डायरेक्टली कहा गया है कि बालूरघाट में संदेशखाली का इफेक्ट नहीं दिखा जाएगा, क्योंकि संदेशखाली का जो घटना वो घटना संदेशखाली का है, वो टीवी में जो दिखा गया था उसका इफेक्ट बालूरघाट में नहीं पड़ेगा, ऐसा बिप्लब मित्र की तरफ से कहा गया है। यानी टीएमसी की तरफ से ये दावा किया जा रहा है कि संदेशखाली का जो इशू एक जगह का इशू है, वो उस जगह का इशू बालूरघाट में इतना डिस्टेंस में नहीं आ सकता है, और बीजेपी जो क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि संदेशखाली के जैसे इशू पूरा बंगाल में फैले हुए हैं, वैसा क्लेम भी नहीं करना चाहिए। और टीएमसी का ये भी कहना है कि बालूरघाट में इस बार सुकांत मजुमदार हारने वाला है, वो भी।
All right, Renik, stay on with us. It seems that Sukanta Majumdar has joined us on the broadcast this morning. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us on News X. Your opponent from the TMC has to say that Sandesh Khali incident and the furor created by your party after raising this incident won't have much of an impact on the polls. The voters do not think it's an important issue. This is what the TMC has to maintain. How would you respond to them?
See, on the day of counting, it will appear that how much the Sandesh Khali will dent the TMC vote. And I believe that it will dent severely, and because the women are really now scared of this TMC, because TMC has looted the dignity of the women. So I feel that after the election, TMC would be able to understand how much dent this the Sandesh Khali will cost to them.
Indeed, and the BJP is of course looking at retaining the 3 seats that are going to polls tomorrow, whether it is your constituency or that of Darjeeling or Raiganj. How confident are you of this? We've seen Prime Minister Modi also come and interact with the people of Raiganj and Balurghat.
Yes, we are 100% confident out of these three constituency that will appear the poll in the second phase. Out of 3, we will win 3 seats. That means it is a 3-0 win of BJP.
Indeed, and how confident are you of West Bengal providing a boost to the Bharatiya Janata Party this time around, as far as crossing the 400-seat mark is concerned? Last time around, there were just a couple of seats that you were short of the TMC. Do you think that you will be able to wrest more seats out of the TMC's hand this time round?
Obviously, we will own more seats than the TMC, and I believe that this time we will cross 400 seats, and this the West Bengal BJP, state BJP, will contribute huge in number in that tally.
Indeed, and I wanted to ask you a question about the Trinamool Congress in particular. It has joined hands with the Congress party at the national level, but as far as the state is concerned, it is going solo. And the Trinamool Congress has also notably remained silent as far as the controversies of the Congress party is concerned. Do you think that they've only been acting on their own vested interest and the voters can see through this?
All these parties are the family parties, because they want someone to be settled. Such as in case of West Bengal, the West Bengal Chief Minister, she wants that her nephew gets settled in politics. Even in case of national level, Sonia Gandhi, she wanting that her son gets settled in politics in Delhi. So they have the vested interest. They have nothing to do with the interest of the public of this country, people of this country. So that's why people have already made their mind that Narendra Modi will become the Prime Minister of this country for the 3rd time.
All right, sir. With that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.